Hello guys, welcome to this video. Let's make a club for procrastinators tomorrow.
Are you comedy me?
ये वाले मीम्स तो बहुत देखे होंगे तुम लोग ने, बहुत मज़ा भी आया होगा. कॉमन है, सब मीम पेजेस शेयर कर रहे हैं. बट दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी डेंजरस प्रॉब्लम ऑन अ पर्सनल लेवल एज वेल एज ऑन अ नेशनल लेवल. What kind of generation are we becoming who is normalizing procrastination? This is a very 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 serious issue. You did not understand why it is a serious issue, right? Wait, let me explain it to you. Let's consider ये तुम लोग का गोल है. These are your ambitions. This is whatever you want to achieve. और इसको तुमने you have done this. When you are normalizing procrastination, you are normalizing doing this. Now do you understand the depth of this issue, the seriousness of this problem? And this is such a deep problem कि तुम्हारा output तो खत्म ही हो गया. Be it learning, doing some work, doing your assignment, doing a project, anything, खत्म हो गया. Because either you are not finishing the work or you are doing it at the very last moment and then you are doing it in a hurry. And concentration power तो खत्म ही हो गई है. We have to check our phone every 5 minutes. इतने distractions है, then how will you focus? So this is what procrastination is doing. First, let's understand why do we procrastinate at the first place. मतलब दिख रहा है कि हमारा नुकसान हो रहा है, फिर भी we are procrastinating. Why we are doing that? Let's understand. To understand why do we procrastinate, first we need to understand why do we do things at the first place. This is explained in the pleasure principle, which was given by Simon Freud. So the pleasure principle states that our brain wants us to do things that gives us pleasure and it wants to avoid things that gives us some pain. That forms the basis of the whole human psychology. Our brain will try to avoid pain at any cost and will make us do things that give us pleasure. Now whenever we are doing something, let's say you are reading something, so reading something and remembering that thing, absorbing the context of whatever you are reading is a tedious task. It takes up lot of energy from your brain. Hence it causes certain amount of pain to your brain. It causes some level of discomfort. So your brain wants to avoid that. This is where our animalistic instincts come in, that we do not want to experience that pain, that momentary pain. Your brain does not understand that reading will give you long-term benefits. Rather, it will only analyze that at the moment it is giving me pain. Hence, it is trying to find reasons to not do that thing. It will try to find excuses. It will try to find distractions that it can go onto. And the very common distraction is obviously our mobiles. And that too, the social media gods have created an environment where we feel a momentary pleasure using our mobiles. So we naturally tend to go towards such things that will distract us, and our brain will create an illusion. At that moment, we are feeling good because of those things, and our brain will want us to do more of that. Will you be satisfied after wasting your time on something else rather than doing work? Or will you be satisfied after doing work? Definitely will be satisfied after doing work. But our brain will keep us in an illusion at that moment to experience the pleasures of the distraction or instant gratification at that moment. And this is why we tend to procrastinate most of the times. Another reason why we tend to procrastinate is fear of failure. If you are doing anything meaningful, then there is always a chance that you will fail, or the results that you are expecting and the results that you get will be different. So that becomes our reason or our anchor to avoid the task in the first place. So if you do not do the task, you will not fail. For example, whenever we go for vivas, there is always some nervousness and we want to go after someone. Like अभी तुम्हारा चांस है, बट यू विल विश कि कोई और चला जाए तुम्हारे बदले, तुम्हारा इसके बाद हो, एंड देन नेक्स्ट में वापस वही प्रोसेस कि तुम्हारा इसके भी बाद हो. इट विल नॉट मेक अ डिफरेंस कि तुम अभी जा रहे हो कि नेक्स्ट जा रहे हो. वेदर यू नो थिंग्स और यू डोंट नो थिंग्स, देयर विल बी नो डिफरेंस. अभी जाओ कि तुम नेक्स्ट जाओ, there will be absolutely no difference. But the fear of failure itself is making you procrastinate. You want to avoid the pain, or you want to avoid the viva that will cause certain discomfort to you, and hence you are avoiding the task as a whole. That is a very basic example of how fear of failure causes procrastination. This could be applied elsewhere too. For example, you are making a sales pitch, then you will try to reiterate your pitch, you will try to practice it more and more before actually making a sale. And sometimes you know that you have practiced it enough, you can't say it to someone, but still you will try to avoid, you will find reasons to not do that thing because you are afraid that the pitch might not go as you want. These were the fundamental reasons of why we procrastinate in the first place, even though we know that it is bad for us. So this comes from the instincts or the genetic part or the animalistic part of our brain that wants to avoid pain at all costs. And then there is another part of brain that is rational, that can think logically, by which you are thinking that you have to avoid procrastination, because of which you are on this video. So there is a constant fight between that logical part of your brain and the animalistic brain. And whoever wins the fight will determine whether you are doing the things that you have to do or you are doing things instinctively. So coming to the next point, कि हाँ ठीक है पता चल गया why do we procrastinate, but अब करे क्या? So the basic idea is that your rational brain has to win over your irrational brain, that is your animalistic brain. So उस brain को जिताएंगे कैसे? The first step is be aware of the procrastination, be aware where you are procrastinating, किधर at what point of time you are choosing something else over the work that you have to do. Next, be aware of the consequences at that point of time. For example, studying today for 2 hours will not make much of a difference at this moment, but it will make a big difference when those marks will be considered for your college admissions. It will make a big difference when you will not get into your dream college and then you will have to settle for less. So you have to keep that consequence of not doing the thing in mind, and you have to find ways to remind yourself of the consequences. So whenever you feel like you have to do something else, you are getting distracted, you want to do something, you have the urge to do something, remind yourself, make systems that remind yourself of the consequences of not doing the task in hand and moving towards distractions. Because you consciously will never make a bad decision. So make sure that you can make yourself conscious at that moment. Next, try to make habits. The processes that you know you have to do for long period of time, that is, let's say you are studying for an exam and you know that you will study for it for the next 1 year, then make the habit of studying ingrained into your daily routine. Make it a habit to study every day. Once you form a habit, then you can use the animalistic part of your brain to your advantage. Yes, it will try to avoid pain, but it will not try to break the habit. Breaking the habit is more painful for your brain. So it will try to keep going on with that habit. And that is how the urge to procrastinate will be superseded by your habit. The thing that you can do is make changes in your environment. And by environment, I do not mean the nature, but your room, your study table, your workplace, anything where you feel you have to do some task and you are distracted by something else. Make changes in that. Try to remove the things those are distracting you or taking you away from your goal. Try to include more things that reinforce your goal. That is, they keep reminding of what you have to work for and what you are working for. And lastly, start doing your work. It is not necessary to know everything from the beginning itself. It is not necessary to complete the whole thing in one go. Just start doing your work, because something will always be better than doing nothing. And if you are procrastinating because of fear of failure, then firstly embrace the fear. Accept it that there is always some amount of fear at every stage, at whatever you are doing. There will always be some amount of fear. Accept that fact and establish another fear of not doing the thing. What will be the consequence of not giving that exam? What will be the consequence of not making that call? Establish that fear. Once you understand the consequence, the fear of not doing the task will become greater than fear of doing the task. And as soon as this happens, the fear of not doing the task will make you do the task. And that's where you have the golden mantra. Make the fear of not doing thing greater than failing at that thing. Whatever we discussed until now is not magic. तुम लोग ये वीडियो देखोगे और प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन खत्म हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होएगा. You will have to implement these things in your life. Then you will have to see where you are going wrong, what you are doing right, what you can improve upon. Then you will have to again implement. And that's how it will take some time. It is a process. It is not an event, it is a process. You have to follow the process, keep improving yourself every day. That's how sustainable change works. That's how any meaningful change will come into your life. The whole point over here is to start somewhere. अगर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन को ओवरकम करने के प्रोसेस को ही प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर दोगे तो फ्यूचर संकट में है. इफ यू डोंट डू समथिंग अबाउट प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन राइट नाउ, its effect will keep on compounding over time, and then your goals will for always remain goals, and you will always be stressed about not getting things done, because in the practical world, if you want to survive, you have to do things, but you will not be able to get things done because you are procrastinating. So start right now. So all that we discussed was a general advice. Do not implement it on a dangerous level. Everyone has different circumstances. The fundamentals remain the same, but the implementation is different for everyone. There is no one set rule that you can do this and this will happen. It is different for everyone. You are still not able to make any progress in this area and you are facing issues with implementing what we have just discussed, then sign up for a free one-on-one session. Let's have a discussion. Let's figure out what will work for you under your circumstances. Today we discussed about procrastination, but there are many other things that we as students face, but those problems are never addressed. How to overcome distractions? What do I do in the future? How do I make a decision about myself? These are the things that we are never taught in our traditional education, and that's where Comed Learning will help you. So if you are facing any of these problems and you want the answer to these problems, so go into the description and sign up for a free one-on-one session where we'll be discussing on these particular topics according to you, customized for you. If you like the video, do hit the like button, and if you are new here, subscribe to this channel. We will be addressing more such issues. We will be talking scientifically in terms of what you can do to address those things. We'll be going deep inside our minds and we'll try to find the human part of you that is other than those numbers of marks, that degree, that job. What else you are as a human, we'll try to discuss that in our future videos. If you feel this was helpful, do share the video with your friends. Help us reach out to more people. With that being said, keep learning, keep growing.